So I'm stretching my back because my hip is tight and stuff, and she was sitting on my lap and she's still sitting on me. Check it out. What the heck are you doing here? Trying to drink coffee? Whoa, I'm gonna fall out of this chair. You want some coffee? I'm trying to stretch my right hip is real tight. What now? Trying to drink coffee and do my yoga stretches. Give me a break, will you? Here, put this on your head here. Alright, I'll try to get up. See if she... Are you going to get off me yet? Go down there. Go down there. Go. Here, sit over there. I got to get up. I'm trying to stretch my hip. Getting old. Oh, she's just totally comfortable. I gotta get up. Let's see if I can get up without breaking anything. Oh man. My hip flexor. That's what happens. Are you gonna get off of me yet? I'll sit down again. Oh yeah, well, I didn't break my hip anyway. It's just a little tight. She just has to be on when I'm sleeping. There you go. Just talking to my cat today. Isn't that right? Here. Go over there. Go. Alright. You done yet? No? Look at that. Look at that big tail. Alright. Just doesn't leave me alone. She's just too cute. I'm too cute, ain't you? Doesn't matter what I do, she doesn't leave. Alright, come on, people had enough. Hit the